Your favorite mic company just released a new product, the DJI Mic Mini. Let's get it unboxed and check it out. All right, this is the DJI Mic Mini Ultra light wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone, Android, and cameras. Comes with some stickers here, a manual, and a carry-in pouch that fits all of the included accessories in here, including the transmitter, the receiver, splitter cable, 3.5 millimeter cable, phone adapter, charging dock, windscreens as well. The device itself on the receiver has a 5-gain level adjustment, which is nice and has a nice clicky tone to it. You also have a multi-purpose receiver that can connect to phones, computers, and cameras. So this thing does it all as far as the receiver goes, which is so nice. And this thing has a great build quality to it. It feels so good. You can also connect to phones using the DJI Mic Mini mobile adapter as well. And the DJI Mic Mini transmitter includes a mic, magnetic clip, power, and noise cancellation built right in. Look at that magnetic clip. Look how it sounds. You also get a mini transmitter docking station so you can charge the device, 2 included windscreens, a TRS cable, and a splitter cable so that you can charge 2 devices at once so the transmitter and receiver can both charge at once, which is so nice. Key features are this thing weighs only 10 grams, 48 kilohertz sampling sound, reliable 400-meter transmission, up to 10 hours of operating time, connect the transmitter directly to the Osmo and DJI cameras, dual level noise cancellation, and app control. This thing has it all. It's perfect for mobile creators, filmmakers, podcasters, teachers, and event hosts who want a professional sound without that complicated setup that you usually get. Let's insert the audio from my old phone at the same distance from the phone I'm recording with. Hello everybody, how are you doing? How do I sound? Now let's flip to the DJI microphone. Hello everybody, this is Brian. How do I sound? Back to the phone. Hey, I'm doing quite well in this echoey apartment. And back to the mic. Hey, I'm doing quite well in this echoey apartment. As you guys know and hear, the DJI Mini mic sounds so much better than that echoey mic that comes from the phone. So thank you everybody, and that was the DJI Mic Mini or Mini mic, however you want to call it. This thing works great for being such a small microphone. As you guys can hear, this sounds really good. You can use this for podcasts, use this if you're interviewing somebody on the street, or you're just doing a video and you would like better sound. I will be using this microphone on any of my videos that requires me to be further than 5 feet or so from my phone, and it will allow me to do more videos like this where I have the camera away from me and I'm inside of my apartment here. I would love to do some of those one-on-one face videos. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and in this video, that was the DJI Mic Mini. Fantastic device. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.